My name is I don't know, and this is Reva's Radical Rights. That's it.
Full start! Hey buddy, what are you doing? So the hay elevator works. It's not too speedy, but it works. Good to go. It was Dan's birthday yesterday, and he went and got himself some pig irons, I guess. Did you, bud?
Yeah, I did, bud.
So you gonna put that up front or up back?
In
or
the front.
Yeah, freaking nice.
That's not too shabby, eh?
No, it's got some nice handles on her.
You can fucking lift it up there and evil it out of the truck if you need to.
That's pretty. I feel good.
Princess Auto, bud. Princess Auto.
I like that kind. I like that kind too.
It's a good kind.
I just finished fixing a wheel on for Dave's car, his little Subaru. And I guess he's gonna get all sideways for us. Hey, bud? Another job on that blue Chevy. This time the plow is cracked. Right there. It's supposed to connect to that broken looking spot. So we're gonna gouge the crap out of that. And we're gonna put some TIG weld passes in there and see what we can do. So I'm gonna set up and I'm gonna get it done. And it's gonna be fun. Hey boo boo. Alright. I'm all set up in the box of the truck there. I got it tacked together. Just gonna have my coffee. Oh yeah, bud. Yum yum. Alright, so I just tacked it in place right there. Set some HD vision up in here. So I beveled it on one side a lot more than the other. So we're just gonna start from the bottom, fill that in, make a couple passes, make it super strong. Let's do this. Alright, I made the first pass. And that's what it looks like. So we're gonna make a couple more passes and see what it looks like, and then we'll carry on, and then it'll be awesome. Alright, that's the second pass. So we're gonna make a third one. We're gonna fill the bottom here, tie these two welds together, then we're gonna put another one that's tying these two welds together, and then back and forth until it's all filled up. Focus! See, the third pass is a lot nicer. And then we're going to do one at the top. And then it's going to be awesome. And then we're going to keep going so I can get back to work on the Camaro. Fourth pass isn't as nice, but whatever. We're almost there. Well, the plow's all done. And I kicked this thing out. And find something else to do in here. Mostly that thing. Yeah. Wait, we're in the middle of the backyard. Not really.
We found a wood splitter.
Oh my God.
In a snowbank.
Dad, I'm sorry.
It's been sitting there all winter.
All winter.
And we're gonna try and start it.
It's Paratrooper Dan. Cold start. This is almost like the cold start from the Corolla we did. I'll put the link to that video, which is hilarious. It's called How to Cold Start a Snowbank. Get me my gloves. the choke. We got the on button. Honda power. Honda power.
The cord is cold. She fired up. That's the Honda, boys.
Oh yeah. No, don't do that yet. You'll blow a hose for sure.
Look at her, dude.
Fuck yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, you addicted.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Oh yeah, oh yeah, Honda power. That one's for Mars and Dad. I didn't fuck your shit up. What we have here is a classic example of a mobile wind tunnel. So you leave the snow on your car, and then the faster you go, the snow flies off of it, and then shows you where your aerodynamics are at.
Yeah.
Look, a colorful fish. Oh, it's got a package in the mail. It could be. I know what it is. I'm gonna get my mom off the dirty old cigarettes. Let's open her up. Yep. Look at that. One hand in her. She's a little difficult. Oh God. It's like a wild circus in here. Jeez. Oh, okay, there we go. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Bottle of juice with no juice. So we gotta get her some juice. Laddie just ordered a couple of bottles of juice from VIPages.com. Oh yeah. Got the Jackie Chang and the Renfrew pudding as Pug suggested are great flavors. Alright, we're here at my mom's and my dad is over there in a wave. Hi. And my mom's about to try that e-cig for the first time. Coal Rider hooked her up, gave her some menthol. She doesn't like it very much, but what do you got, Mom?
You want me to try it now?
Yeah. Give us a big cheech. Oh, there you go. That's a little cheech. Give us a big cheech there.
What's a beach?
Oh, yeah.
You're supposed to spit.
No. I'm not a sailor.
Not yet, she isn't. Well, now that my mom's got that, hopefully this will get her to quit smoking. I hope. Ma! Gotta quit smoking! Not good for you! Ma!
Well, that video was fucking awesome. Don't smoke anything. It's not good for you. This has been a message brought to you by your fellow technicians at Rivers Radical Rides.